Okay viewers, today I'm bringing you a super unique and highly trending niche that is exploding right now. As you can see, these are colorful, jelly-style, visually satisfying shots, lips eating vibrant jelly, watermelon, candy, lollipops, with crisp ASMR-style sound effects. Without wasting any time, go to YouTube and search for the channel name Sunny Shots. You'll see the channel has over 3 million subscribers with only around 160 videos uploaded. Now click on Shorts, then tap on Popular. You'll notice something crazy: 121 million views, 106 million views, 84 million views, 35 million views. Almost every single short in this style has over 20 to 30 million views. That clearly proves this format is massively trending. Now let's break down what type of videos they are creating. You'll see colorful jelly being eaten, watermelon bites, crunchy candy, lollipops, and different vibrant fruit shots, all visually satisfying and highly engaging. Your first step is simple. Identify the most attractive and eye-catching shots. Take screenshots of the ones you want to recreate, especially jelly forms, colorful candy textures, fruit bites, and ASMR-style visuals. Save those screenshots one by one. Once done, move to the next step. Now open ChatGPT. Upload all the screenshots you collected. If they don't upload together, don't worry. Go to Canva, combine them into one single collage image, and then upload that combined image. Now give this simple prompt: I want to create similar viral short videos like this. Give me 10 unique AI prompts. Click Enter. Within 10 to 15 seconds, you'll get 10 high-quality, unique prompts based on your uploaded image style. You'll notice the AI understands the exact theme: colorful jelly textures, candy beads, crunchy ribbons, watermelon flavors, glossy lighting, ASMR visuals. All prompts will be creative, unique, and ready to use. Now carefully review each prompt one by one. Copy all the best prompts. And now, we move to the next step. In the next part, I'll show you how to turn these prompts into fully generated viral shorts using free AI tools. Let's continue. All right, viewers, now it's time to turn all of our prompts into actual images. To do that, we're going to use a website that is currently very trending, and as I always mention in my videos, it's called PicLumen. This platform is absolutely amazing. Let me show you something. These images you see here were generated directly from this website. And the best part? Whatever prompt you give it, it generates the image exactly according to your instructions. Now, without wasting any time, let's start creating. Click on the Create Image option. First, select the 9:16 aspect ratio, because we are creating shorts, and vertical format is essential. Now I'll paste my first prompt. Click on Generate. After a few seconds of waiting, you can see our first ribbon jelly stick image is ready. Look at the detail, the colors, the texture. It's incredibly unique and visually stunning. Now, let's move to the second prompt. Copy, paste, click Generate. And after a short wait, you can see the candy beads crunch image is generated perfectly according to the prompt. Let's continue. I'll copy the third prompt, paste it, and click Generate again. And there it is, converted beautifully into a high-quality image. The lighting, the candy texture, the vibrant look, everything is on point. Now moving to the fourth prompt, the cute bunny concept. Paste, generate, and just look at how amazing this turned out. Next, I'll copy the fifth prompt, paste it, and generate again. And once again, the results are outstanding. Now let's try the crystal sugar candy bar prompt. Paste, generate, and you can see it has converted it into a beautiful, glossy, hyper-detailed image. The sugar texture looks incredibly realistic. Now I'll continue uploading the remaining prompts, 7, 8, 9, and 10, including watermelon variations, cartoon cracker candy forms, and mixed candy concepts. One by one, I generate them all. And as you can see, all of our images are now ready. Every single image looks unique, vibrant, and extremely high quality. This clearly proves that this tool is incredibly powerful. And here's the best part. It allows you to generate around 15 to 20 images daily for free. You don't need to purchase any package. Of course, if you upgrade to the Pro version, you'll unlock even more advanced features, but even the free version is more than enough to start creating viral shorts. Now, I'll download the best images, the ones that look the most eye-catching and visually satisfying, and we're ready for the final step. Now it's time to bring motion into these images. Let's move to the final step. Open the website called Digen AI. Yes, viewers, Digen AI is an incredibly powerful platform. It continuously updates with new tools, and the best part is, it gives you 150 free credits daily. All you need to do is log in once. Let me scroll down and show you something. Here you can see different images and videos that were already generated on this platform. Just look at the quality. The visuals are unique, detailed, and highly realistic. This clearly shows how powerful this tool is. Now, without wasting any time, click on the Create option. After clicking Create, upload your first image. Now here's a smart trick. Since we already generated these images in PicLumen, we can go back there, copy the exact prompt we used for that image, and paste it here. This keeps everything accurate and consistent. So I'll copy the prompt from PicLumen, paste it here inside Digen AI, and click on Generate. Each video generation only takes 20 credits, and within about 2 minutes, your video will be ready. And as you can see, the video is now created. The motion, the eating style, the candy texture, everything matches perfectly with the prompt we provided. The result is smooth, smart, and visually satisfying. Now let's move to the second image. Upload it. Go back to PicLumen, copy the related prompt, paste it here, and click Generate again. After a short wait, the second video is ready. You can see how beautifully the character is eating the candy. The animation feels natural, colorful, and highly engaging. Now let's move to the third image. Upload. Copy the correct prompt. Paste. Click Generate. And once again, after a short wait, the third image to video conversion is complete. You can see how smooth and unique the motion looks. Step by step, I've shown you how to generate all your videos exactly according to your style. You can repeat this process for all your remaining images. Digen AI makes it extremely easy to turn static images into engaging short videos. Once your videos are ready, simply download them, and now you have fully AI-generated viral-style shorts ready to upload. Also, Digen AI offers other powerful tools like Sora 2 View 3.1, CDAS, and Kling, which are available in the paid version. But if you want to stay completely free, the simple video tool is more than enough to start creating high-quality viral shorts. So viewers, I hope you found today's tutorial extremely helpful. If you enjoyed this video and want more powerful AI content creation strategies, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.